Ever wondered why some people develop multiple cysts in their kidneys, causing serious health issues? Let's talk about polycystic kidney disease, or PKD. PKD is a genetic disorder where fluid-filled cysts grow in the kidneys, making them larger and less functional over time. Symptoms? Think high blood pressure, back pain, frequent urination, and even kidney failure. And the worst part? Many people don't even know they have it until it's serious. There's no cure yet, but managing it is possible. Stay hydrated, eat healthy, control blood pressure, and get regular checkups. PKD runs in families, so if it's in your genes, get tested early. Awareness can save lives. Tag someone who should know this and follow for more health facts.